the Earth without art?
Eh?
Welcome to Earth Without Art is Just Eh. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat. You need a regular sheet of paper. Take the paper and then fold it in half. Then fold it in half again, like this. Open it back up. Now match this side with this crease. And match this side with this crease. Now, you can see that we have two flaps here. Take the top flap and match this edge with this edge. Then take this side flap and match this edge with this edge, just the top flap. Flip it over and just fold the flaps like this. Now you should have a shape something like this. Now we have two flaps here. Take the top flap and fold up. Flip it over and do the same. Now you can see that we have two flaps here. Pull it apart to get a square shape. Put it down and crease both sides like this. Now, there's a really nice trick here. So, the higher you fold this up, the more of the hull you will have. And the lower you fold this, the less of the hull you will have. You fold it all the way up, you won't see much of the pointy top. So for this video, I'm just going to fold about 75% of the way. Now flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now there's two flaps here, pull them apart to make this shape. Now take these two pointy parts right here and pull. You should end up with a boat shape like this. Now you can put this in water and it should float. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to Earth Without Art is Just Eh.